has picked up. We in stage 3. We trading above R1. You draw that horizontal line.
All right, so before I go any further in this video, I'm just screen recording what I did earlier today on September 28th, 2022. I'm looking at the S&P. It's this top chart. I'm looking to take a breakout. And my main reason for doing this video is just to demonstrate the importance of being prepared throughout the market day. As you'll see in the video, the price action is gonna pick up on me real fast, and I'm gonna get a bad feel on an opportunity that I had been waiting on, but the market had kind of lulled me to sleep because it was quiet earlier. It was making some good moves, but it was just moving slow. And this video is just to show you the importance of always being prepared for anything in any moment. And let me just show y'all so you can see how fast the action picked up and how I got a shitty feel.
Boom, we in stage 3. This was the high of the day. We came in. I'm looking for 2 tests above it, but if we can consolidate and then break back out, then I'll still take this trade. Volume is pretty good. It's increasing. Trend just made a new low. Ticks knocking on the front door. My put call ratio is at 1. It's forming like a flag, and my heat map, I got about 8 of them green, 2 red. So I'm bullish on the day. And right now I'm just looking for some cooling action in the S&Ps. If I get some good cooling action with a hammer or an engulfing closing above 24, then I'm looking to get long.
Order submitted.
Whoa, I didn't mean to get in right there.
Order filled.
Fuck, I missed a great trade. As you can see, I was trying to get in above.
All right, so
20.
let me pause it. So y'all may not be able to tell, depending on how much experience you got, how fast it just picked up. It really wasn't moving that fast, but it kind of just blinked this candle right here. Okay, so if you notice, I said I'm looking for a hammer or an engulfing candle. A hammer is this candle right here. This white candle with this long wick, that's a hammer. That's what I was looking for the whole time. But watch how fast it formed relative to how fast the other candles was forming. So they was taking a little minute. So as I'm sitting there moving around, farting around with my mouse, the candle just blinked. I just literally blinked. I looked up, and what I was waiting on was just right in my face. So by the time I scrolled over to my Superdome over here to the right, the trade was literally gone. It was like everybody was waiting on the same move. And by the time I bought at the market, the price was 2 and 3 points away, causing me to risk way more than I wanted to risk. So I just closed the trade out. I know some people probably looking at it like you could have just stayed in, but that's risking too much in that moment. So I just immediately close it out. And that's what you got to do when you know you risking too much, or you made a mistake, or you just simply missed the trade. Man, just get out and wait on the next one. So I'm gonna play it again and show y'all what happened, and then you can see my reaction. I was highly upset. One thing I would not recommend getting upset because you're a revenge trade. There's no reason to get upset at the market. The market really not trying to hurt you. It just does what it does, and you just gotta simply respond to it and don't get emotional like I just did. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was waiting on this move, and it just pissed me off that I missed it. So boom, I should be in right now. The reason I don't get in right there because
Order submitted.
In the heat of the moment, that Superdome looked like it's moving fast. So I didn't
Oh, I
know
didn't mean to get in
exactly
right there.
which price I was gonna get in at.
Order
So
filled.
that's why I didn't click the
Fuck, I missed a
Superdome.
great trade.
So now
As
I'm
you can
just
see, I
pissed
was
off.
trying to get in above 24. Son of a bitch.
So don't get mad at the screen. Now what I'm about to do is something I don't recommend. Boom, a revenge trade.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, so I just went ahead and got my re-entry.
Now this the part that's
And
unacceptable.
I'm about to move my
Let me
stops to
mute
where they
this.
were before.
So the first part is okay. Not getting a good entry on a trade is nothing wrong with it. But revenge trading and just getting in back at a random price, that's the part that's not okay. This trade costed me too fucking much just because I got upset. So as you can see, it's going against me. Literally, like didn't go in my way one tick, but still could have made some money on it. But I was just highly upset. So I think at this point, I'm about to like just set my stops and take profit and walk out. And so there's a few lessons that y'all can learn from this, and I'm learning myself. Any trade you can get out with the profit so if you just wait. So boom, it still ended up giving me like 2 points, but I didn't take it, and I let that run my stop. And so this just goes to show you like how a fast market can make you react impulsively, and you got to be ready for all situations. So it was quiet, and then the action just picked up, and immediately like boom, I wasn't in the trade I wanted to be in. The proper field would have been down here where it originally came out of and engulfed right there, but I didn't wait. I just seen as soon as I seen the white candle, I just got in. Don't do that. Get in on a reversal candle. And get in with hotkeys. So what I be doing going forward is I just program my computer. So now Control B, boom, that's a hotkey. That's gonna get me in at the market. So that way I don't have to take my eyes off the screen, go over here, look at my Superdome, see what price it is, see if I want to get in, click. By that time, the trade is gone, as y'all can see. So program the hotkeys for situations like this. Get in at the market, program your computer, and learn a lesson from my trade, because I for sure just learned my own lesson. So as y'all be seeing me going forward in most of my trades, I'll be using hotkeys, so you really won't see my mouse, but I still talk through the trades. And on the next video, I will see y'all. So stay tuned.